In this video I will show you how to create minimalist VR project in Unity from scratch for Universal Render Pipeline. In Unity Hub, click New Project, choose Universal 3D Pipeline, then enter your project name. Click Create Project. Next, we'll set up the foundation for VR. Open the menu and go to Edit, Project Settings, XR Plugin Management, then click Install. Once it's ready, activate the Open XR plugin provider. Now let's add the interaction layer. Go to Window, Package Manager, select Unity Registry and search for XR Interaction Toolkit. Click Install, then scroll to the Samples section and import the starter assets. After those installs, you might see a few validation issues pop up. Click Fix All. One issue still needs to be fixed manually: the missing interaction profiles. Depending on your headset, you'll need to enable specific profiles. I'm using the MetaQuest 3, so I enable the profiles that match it. Now let's add the brain of our VR scene, the XR Origin VR. It already includes a camera, so you can safely delete the old default camera. Time to add the VR controllers. Under Camera Offset, create a new empty object. This will represent your controller. Add a tracked pose driver component to it. Set the source to use reference and choose the correct references for position, rotation and tracking state. This one will be our left controller. In order to actually see the controller, let's add a visible shape. Create a cube as a child of your controller object. Next, let's duplicate the left controller, create the right controller. Rename and change input references to use right-hand versions for position, rotation and tracking state. Now let's connect everything to the headset. I'm using the MetaQuest 3, so I'll open MetaQuest Link app on my PC. With MetaQuest Link opened, go to the headset menu. Navigator, Quick Controls, Link PC and Launch. This connects your headset to the computer and switches into PC VR mode. Back in Unity, hit play button to test. You should now see your controllers in VR and be able to move them around in real time. The world feels empty here. Let's add some interaction. Select each controller cube and add a rigid body component. Make sure its kinematic is checked. Then add a plane as the floor and add some cubes with rigid bodies. Now it feels like an actual VR playground. And that's it. In just a few minutes we've set up a full VR environment from scratch, with proper XR setup, controllers and physics-based interaction. Stay subscribed, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.